Hey everyone, welcome back to the Pyro Penguin. Today we're going to be lighting off some fireworks after the 4th of July down by the river. And yeah, got some little things, the smoke balls, and then this is probably going to be our grand finale. So yeah, I feel like the right way to start it off is with some smoke balls, so let's get into it. Alright, so we got some smoke balls here, and let's get into it. There. Yeah, that was pretty good. So now let's do the bigger smoke. So we got this gushing purple smoke, and let's light it off. Pretty good smoke. This is very long lasting. That was pretty good, and now let's move on to some other things. Alright, now we're going to do a little TNT ground bloom. Not too bad. Now let's do some crackling balls. So we're going to do this crackling ball in this little hole in the rock. Here we go. Not too bad. And now we're going to do this crackling salute by Phantom. We'll do it right next to the hole. Here we go. Not too bad. I shot a little crackle up in the air. And let's move into some cooler things. So right here we got this princess on wheels, and let's see if it moves. It tried to move, but didn't really go anywhere. So now let's do some firecrackers. Before we do some firecrackers, let's do this little poopy puppy. Tipped over, did some crackle, but it's pretty cool. Now we're going to do some firecrackers. Alright, now before we do the firecrackers, I want to say I'm going to be making a video also today about the different types of firecrackers. Well, the firecracker comparison. So if you want to see that video is going to be posted probably after this video. So make sure you subscribe so you can see these big firecrackers go off. But today, in this video, we're just going to be lighting off these little ones. So here we go. Alright, we're first going to start off with this little one, the little dynamite. Nothing crazy. Now let's move up a bit to the M90. That one was a lot louder. And now for the M1000. now let's move into some strips of firecrackers. So we're first going to start off with this little 16 strip of thunder bombs. Nothing crazy. Now let's move into the 100 strip. Now for this 100 strip of thunder bombs. That one was a lot louder. Now we're going to do this Jumbo M5000. Here goes the Jumbo M5000. That one was loud too. Now let's move into some bottle rockets. Before we do the bottle rockets, let's do this parachute. The Old Glory. That was pretty cool. Had a flag on it. And yeah, let's move into the bottle rockets. And I will be getting that. All right, first we're gonna start off with this little moon traveler. So here we go. Not too bad. And then we're gonna do this Texas pop rocket. All right, here goes the Texas pop rocket. Not really a pop, but still pretty cool. Next we're gonna do the red and green, and then the finale, the jungle rocket. But make sure after the jungle rocket, if the video's up, come check out these firecrackers. These things are crazy loud. Here goes the red and green. Probably the loudest thing we did this video. All right, here goes the jungle rocket. Thanks for watching this video, and make sure you check out that firecracker video. So here goes the jungle rocket.